Hello बच्चों, Namaste and welcome to 90 Plus My Tuition app. So today we are going to deal with the third chapter of Vasant Part 1. Okay, it's a very beautiful story of Premchand. We all know he's a well-known writer in Hindi literature. He's a famous novelist. He was a story writer. He was a what all kind. He wrote all kind of proses in Hindi, right? Okay, so उसका एक प्रेमचंद को हिंदी साहित्य में एक युग ही है. वी ऑल स्टडी इन प्रेमचंद, वी कॉल इट प्रेमचंद युग. सो उसकी कहानियाँ, कोई भी लेख हो, वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है हिंदी साहित्य में. ओके, सो here we have a very good story to study. So and the name of the story is Nadan Dost. What is the name of the story? Nadan Dost. Nadan means it's very silly, cute, or naive. Okay, it means naive, and dost it means friend. Okay, here writer is saying about a naive friend of the of these characters of the story and the family of the story. Okay, and we all know it's the writer's name is Premchand, and it's a what type of chapter is it? It is a story. Okay, then we will know what kind of who is this Nadan Dost and what is this chapter discussing or story is discussing about. Okay, let's see. Come on. And part 3, Nadan Dost. Nadan means a naive or silly friend, a very cute or silly friend. Okay, let's see. Let's take a clear look on this chapter. Here, केशव के घर कॉर्निस के ऊपर एक चिड़िया ने अंडे दिए थे. केशव इज द मेन कैरेक्टर ऑफ द स्टोरी. ओके, केशव मीन्स एक कैरेक्टर और यस एक पात्र है इस कहानी के. मुख्य पात्र है केशव. केशव के घर इन हिज हाउस, केशव्स हाउस, कॉर्निस के ऊपर. कॉर्निस इज अ प्लेस विद इन द हाउस. ओके, कॉर्निस के ऊपर एंड द अपर साइड ऑफ दैट कॉर्निस एक चिड़िया ने अंडे दिए थे. And a bird laid eggs. Okay, that a bird had laid eggs on the cornice of Keshav's house. Clear? Yes. Then ande means you all know it's egg. Okay, eggs. Then cornice is that what we say essentially type that place it's called cornice, and घर के cornice के ऊपर and the upper side. Okay, what the bird laid head, it means अंडे दिए means उसने अंडे लगाए थे, अंडे को सिए थे, right? और केशव और उसकी बहन श्यामा दोनों बड़े ध्यान से चिड़िया को वहाँ आते जाते देखा करते. केशव और उसकी बहन, and Keshav has a sister and her name is Shyama. Okay, and they both will always take care of that bird. Okay, and both Keshav and her sister Shyama used to watch the birds coming and going. Okay, आते जाते रहना means coming and going. Okay, and then what they watch it very carefully. ध्यान से देखना means they watch that scene very carefully of that bird's deeds. Clear? ओके, सवेरे दोनों आंखें मलते कॉर्निस के सामने पहुंच जाते और चिड़ा और चिड़िया दोनों को वहाँ बैठा पाते. What here saying, in the morning, savere means the morning, both that brother and sister would reach the cornice. They will came to that cornice and rubbing their eyes. When they wake up, they will rubbing their eyes. Okay, and would find both the bird and the sparrow sitting there. Here this what ज़्यादा चिड़ा और चिड़िया, and that चिड़िया and its little ones, when they were watching, when they wake up, they will come about rubbing their eyes, and they will watch these birds act all these morning एक्शंस. ओके. एंड देन वो जब वे सवेरे उठकर आते हैं तो हम भी ऐसे होते हैं ना, जैसे ऐसे बच्चे ऐसे कुछ हमारे घर में होते हैं तो हम मॉर्निंग में उठकर आते तो ऐसे उसे देखते रहते हैं. उसी बात को यहाँ प्रेमचंद ने कहा है. ओके. उनको देखने में दोनों बच्चों को न मालूम क्या मज़ा मिलता, दूध और जलेबी का सुध भी न रहती थी. ओके. व्हेन दे वाचिंग दिस व्हाट गॉड नोस व्हाट. Okay. And in what and the bird and the sparrow sitting there, they were watching that sparrow and bird sitting there. Okay. And God knows what the fun and the two children would get watching them. Okay. भगवान जानते हैं कि उन दोनों पक्षियों को देखने से ये केशव और उसकी बहन श्यामा को क्या मिलता है. Okay. And they would forget even milk and jalebi. They are always fond of this milk and jalebi, but when they watching these birds, they always forget these milk and then jalebis. ओके. क्लियर. वो ऐसी बर्ड्स को देखने पर इसका जलेबी और दूध को भी भूल जाते हैं. क्लियर. ओके. दोनों के दिल में तरह तरह के सवाल उठते हैं. And in their mind there were several questions were inside their mind. Okay. दोनों के दिल में means inside the both mind. what तरह के there will be different types of questions. सवाल means question. सवाल it means question. उठते means there will be many questions. what various questions would raise in both their minds. Clear. Okay. Then अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे. एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस. अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे. एंड व्हाट दैट हियर इट मीन्स हियर मैंने कहा ये चीड़ा और चिड़िया दैट पेरेंट्स ऑफ दैट चिड़िया. ओके. चीड़ा मीन्स दैट what male bird and female bird it means. Okay. Then जैसे क्या उसका सवालें कौन कौन सी है. अंडे कितने बड़े होंगे. दिस अंडे हाउ विल बी बिगर दिस अंडे. ओके. व्हाट द क्वेश्चन हाउ बिग वुड बी दिस एग्स बी. ओके. एंड देन किस रंग के होंगे. व्हाट विल बी इट्स कलर. ओके. और कितने होंगे. हाउ मच इट विल बी. देन क्या खाते होंगे. एंड व्हाट विल बी दे हैव. व्हाट विल बी दे ईट. उनमें से बच्चे किस तरह निकल आएंगे. हाउ वुड बी द बेबीज गेट व्हाट हाउ वुड द बेबीज कम आउट ऑफ देम. ओके. देन बच्चों के पर कैसे निकलेंगे. एंड हाउ विल बी द पर मीन्स विंग्स. हाउ द विंग्स विल कम. Okay. How would the babies got that wings. घोंसला कैसा है. एंड हाउ विल बी देयर नेस्ट. घोंसला मीन्स नेस्ट. लेकिन इन बातों का जवाब देने वाला कोई नहीं है. एंड हाउ विल बी द नेस्ट. they have so many questions inside them, and but there was no one to answer these questions. Okay. They have many questions inside, but there were no one to give answer for their questions. Okay. Clear. न अम्मा को घर के काम दंतों से फुर्सत थी, न बाबूजी को पढ़ने लिखने से. Here what their amma and appa, their father and mother were busy in their works. Okay. Here they were saying neither amma had time from household works and nor babuji. The babuji it means his father from studies. Okay. They have to study many things. Okay. दोनों बच्चे आपस ही में सवाल जवाब करके अपने दिल की तसल्ली दे लिया करते. एंड दे बोथ आस्क these questions what in between them. Okay. They were both children used to satisfy their hearts by asking questions among themselves. Okay. What then Shyama कहती. And Shyama said क्यों भैया बच्चे निकलकर फिर से उड़ जाएंगे. That means Shama would say, why brother, will the babies come out and fly away? Okay, she had a question. Then केशव विद्वानों जैसे गर्व से कहता है. And then Keshav as a wise, okay, Keshav would say proudly like a what scholar, and you silly, what he say, नहीं रे पगली. नहीं रे पगली means a silly girl or a silly girl. पहले पर निकलेंगे. What, they will get wings first. Okay, they will have wings first. Per means it's wings. Okay, पहले क्या पंख निकलेंगे. और बगैर परों के बेचारे कैसे उड़ेंगे. Then what, how will these poor creatures will fly without their wings. Okay, here Keshav were given reply what, the first the wings will become, after then they will fly, because after without these wings how they can fly. He will say to Shama. Clear? Yes. Then moving on to the next passage. So here we all know, नादान दोस्त श्यामा और केशव के घर में आते हैं. वो चिड़िया के जो बच्चे छोटे बच्चे होंगे, है ना. ओके, देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है यहाँ. श्यामा बच्चों को क्या खिलाएगी बेचारी. श्यामा having another question. बच्चों को क्या खिलाएगी बेचारी. Okay, Shama, what will the poor lady feed her children? Here, lady, it means chidiya, that bird. What will she give to her children? केशव इस पेचीदा सवाल का जवाब कुछ न दे सकता. And what here? Then Keshav could not answer that complicated question. Here, pechida, it means complicated. Okay, he don't have answer for that question, so it means it's a complicated question. That's why he was just silent. जवाब कुछ न दे सकता था means he don't have answer for that question. इस तरह 3-4 दिन गुजर गए, and there were 3-4 days passed away. Okay, like this. और इस तरह 3-4 दिन गुजर गए means the 2 or 3-4 days were passed away. दोनों बच्चों की जिज्ञासा दिन दिन बढ़ती जाती है. And these two children, where Shama and Keshav were always curious, they were creating their curiosity as always increasing day by day. Okay, दिन ब दिन उनकी जिज्ञासा means curiosity. Their curiosity were increasing day by day. अंडों को देखने के लिए वे अधीर हो उठते हैं. And they were impatient to see the eggs. Here, what, अंडों को देखने में अधीर हो जाते हैं means what, impatiently. They were eagerly waiting for that what, eggs. Okay, अधीर means impatient. Okay. Then उन्होंने अनुमान लगाया कि अब जरूर बच्चे निकल आए होंगे. And at last they decided. Okay, what they guessed. It means अनुमान means gust. Sorry, अनुमान means guess. Okay, they both were guess what, कि अब जरूर बच्चे, definitely they guess that the children must have hatched by now. Hatched by now means they will बच्चों हो जाए होंगे उस अंडे से कि वो बच्चे निकल गए होंगे. Clear? Okay, they guess that the children must have hatched by now. And बच्चों के चारे का सवाल अब उनके सामने आ खड़ा हुआ है. And बच्चों के चारे का सवाल means that the question of feeding. चारे means feeding. Okay, चारे के सवाल about the feeding, the question. चारे means that what, feeding. Okay, सवाल we all know it's question. The question of feeding children now stood before them. How they feed these two tiny tiny birds. Okay, they are little ones. They have a questions before them. Okay, in front of them. How they manage? How they what they give food to these tiny birds. Okay, there was a question in front of him. Clear. Okay, let's see what happened next. चिड़िया बेचारी इतना दाना कहाँ पाएगी कि सारे बच्चों का पेट भरे. Okay, चिड़िया the amma bird. Okay, amma bird बेचारी. Oh, that poor little bird. Okay, how she find much grains to these to feed these all children. Okay, कैसे वो इतने दाने आएंगे. Here it दाना means grains. Okay, how she find these grains to feed these all childrens. Okay, गरीब बच्चे भूख के मारे छू छू करके मर जाएंगे. Okay, this poor children will die like saying choo choo. They will die with starving. Okay, hunger. इस मुसीबत का अंदाजा करके दोनों घबरा उठे. When they when they both them got worried after realizing about this. Okay, this problem, how to feed them. So they were very worried about this thing. दोनों ने फैसला किया एंड दे बोथ डिसाइडेड. फैसला करना मीन्स दे डिसाइडेड कि कॉर्निस पर थोड़ा सा दाना रख दिया जाए. एंड द कॉर्निस पार्ट, द कॉर्निस दैट प्लेस कॉर्निस, दे विल केप्ट सम ग्रेन्स देयर. ओके, दाना रख दिया जाए. दे विल प्लेस सम what grains there. and श्यामा खुश होकर बोली. and श्यामा was so happy and said, तब तो चिड़ियों को चारे के लिए कहीं उड़कर न जाना पड़ेगा ना. and then she said what, no, now the birds will not have to fly anywhere for food. Okay, right, she was asking to Keshav. Okay, then Keshav said, नहीं, no, तब क्यों जाएगी. then why did they need to go outside. श्यामा, क्यों भैया, बच्चों को धूप न लगती होगी. and Shama have another question. why brother, the children must to feeling the heat. they will feel hot or heat. केशव का ध्यान इस तरफ तकलीफ की तरफ न गया था. and Keshav had not noticed this problem. Okay, and he said, बोला, ज़रूर तकलीफ हो रही होगी. and they must be having some problems. Okay, they feeling some pain or problems. Definitely they were feeling some problems. Okay, let's see what will be the problems there. What the problems mentioned Keshav were mentioning about. Let's see on the next passage. Okay, बेचारे प्यास के मारे तड़पते होंगे. oh, that poor ones must be thirsty. प्यास means thirsty. Okay, they will be तड़पना means they were shivering or they will be starving for or thirsty for water. Okay, ऊपर छाया भी तो नहीं है. and there was no shadow in above. Okay, there's no shadow above. Here छाया means shadow. आखिर यही फैसला हुआ. at last they had a decision. फैसला means decision. घोंसले के ऊपर कपड़े की छत बना देनी चाहिए. and they decided to make a roof with cloth. Okay, they will cover that nest with a cloth. Okay, they decided कपड़े की छत बना दिए जाए. कपड़े means clothes. Okay, to make a roof of cloth. Okay, पानी की प्याली और थोड़े से चावल रख देने का भी प्रस्ताव भी स्वीकृत हो गया. and then the proposal to keep a bowl. Okay, this प्याली means what, a bowl. Okay, and then what, थोड़े से चावल means some there is some rice. चावल means it means rice. Okay, रख देने का means there will be kept some a little water there. Place the water and then some a little rice there. Okay, they decided. स्वीकृत हो गया means they accepted that things. Okay, what some they the proposal to keep a bowl of water and some rice also accepted, that conditions also accepted there. दोनों बच्चे बड़े छाव से काम करने लगे and both they were eagerly and both were started working in a great enthusiasm. Okay, छाव से means enthusiasm. श्यामा माँ की आंख बचाकर मटके से चावल निकाल लाई. Okay, what the Shama did? Yes, she brought rice from the pot without seeing her mom. Okay, as of her mom. Okay, without when mom माँ के आंखें बचाकर मीन्स माँ के देखे बिना उसने उस पॉट से क्या लेकर आया, चावल लेकर आई. क्लियर. और केशव ने पत्थर की प्याली का तेल छुपके से जमीन पर गिरा दिया और उसकी घूप साफ करके उसमें पानी भरा दिया. आफ्टर केशव व्हाट विल ही डिड? केशव सीक्रेटली ड्रॉप द ऑयल from the stone bowl, okay, on the ground, and after cleaning it thoroughly filled it with water, okay, and kept near inside and near that little birds. Okay, clear. अब चांदनी के लिए कपड़ा कहाँ से लाएंगे? Okay, now they have another doubt. Where will we where would we get the cloth for that chandni? They had decided to make a roof for that for their nest, right? So how we will get cloth for that? Okay, they have a question. फिर ऊपर बगैर छड़ियों के कपड़ा ठहरेगा कैसे और छड़ियाँ खड़ी होगी कैसे? यस, फिर ऊपर बगैर छड़ियों के कपड़ा. What here? How would the clothes stay on the top without the sticks? Here the छड़ियों means it's sticks. Okay, ये हम जानते हैं कि जिस कपड़े को हम स्टर्न रखने के लिए हमें स्टिक का ज़रूरत होती है. Okay, stick के बिना we have to tie it on there, right? Okay, so we will tie it on the sticks, right? So how we can kept the roof of this cloth without the sticks? Okay, here chadiyo means sticks. Clear. Tehrega means stay. Okay, how they will the clothes stay on the top without the sticks? Okay, and how will the sticks stand up? Upright? Okay, here ये छड़ियाँ खड़ी होगी कैसे? Without this how it will be stay there? Okay, on the upright. केशव बड़ी देर तक इसी उधेड़बुन में रहा. Okay, Keshav remained in this dilemma for a long time. Udhedbun means he was in a long thought. Okay, he was in a dilemma. That means he was in a long thought what to get this solution for this. आखिरकार उसने यह मुश्किल भी हल कर दिया. After then, finally, आखिरकार means finally he solved this problem as well. Okay, he just solved it. How? श्यामा से बोला जाकर कूड़ा फेंकने वाली टोकरी उठा लाओ. And he said to Shyama, go and bring this garbage basket. Okay, then अम्मा जी को मत दिखाना and don't show it to अम्मा. Okay, he just said go and bring that garbage basket and don't show it to अम्मा. श्यामा, वह तो बीच से फटी हुई है. Shama said she was confused and she just asked what it was, just broken or it was just it's torn on the middle. Okay, it's torn on the middle. उसमें से धूप न जाएगी. What the sunlight pass through? केशव ने झुंडलाकर कहा. Okay, Keshav said irritably. Okay, he just got irritated and said, तू टोकरी तो ला. You just bring that basket. मैं उसका सुराग बंद करने की कोई हिकमत निकालूंगा. Okay, I will find way to close that hole. It's hole. Okay, you just bring that. I will make a solution for it. Okay, I will clear that issues that broken or उसका जो दरार है ना, वो होल को हम क्लियर कर दूंगा. ओके. यस. हिकमत, इट मीन्स दैट solution. Clear. Then what next? श्यामा दौड़कर टोकरी उठा लाई, and श्यामा ran and brought that टोकरी, that basket. केशव ने उसके सुराख में थोड़ा सा कागज ठूस दिया. Okay, केशव placed some papers, okay, the papers in the hole. That surag means hole, or that crack, broken side, hole. Okay, he kept some papers inside there. And kagas dhoons diya means it stuffed it. Okay, what he stuffed, kagas dhoons means stuff. ओके. तब टोकरी को एक टहनी से डिकाकर बोला. आफ्टर एंड ही then resting the basket on a branch. Okay, he kept that basket on a branch and said, देख ऐसे ही घोंसले पर उसकी आड़ कर दूंगा. Look, see, I will cover the next like this. Okay, तब कैसे धूप जाएगी? Then how will be the what sunlight reach? श्यामा ने दिल में सोचा. And Shama just think on the mind. Okay, Shama thought in her heart. Okay, भैया कितना चालाक है. Okay, what did he thought? Okay, ये भैया, this brother is so clever. Okay, her brother is so, this Keshav is so clever. Okay, yes, चालाक means clever. Okay, bhaiya means it's brother. Then what? Add kar dunga means what? It will cover. Add means cover. I will cover it. Dhoop means sunlight. Okay, clear? Yes. Let's see what happened next. Okay,